Did you know over half of your visitors are on mobile? Let's make sure your Squarespace website looks amazing on every screen. Squarespace templates are mobile friendly by default, but some work better than others. Use modern templates like Brian, Bedford, or Fluid engine layouts. Click create a project, create website, then next, keep, then choose the template again, search for home decor or like that. They adjust beautifully across devices. While editing, click the device icon to preview your site on mobile and tablet view. This helps you spot layout issues before publishing. On mobile, everything stacks vertically, so design with that in mind. Avoid side by side blocks that don't convert well to mobile. Use spacers, padding, and mobile specific tweaks to keep it clean. Make sure your fonts are legible on small screens like 16 pixel or bigger. Buttons should be big enough to tap easily with enough spacing around them. Don't rely on preview alone. Open your site on your different phones to make sure it loads fast, looks great, and everything works. That's it. A few smart steps, and your Squarespace site is mobile ready. Like and follow for more web design tips. Thanks for watching.